Welcome to the Good Steward Law and Wealth Podcast, where host Ledly Jennings explores law and finance to help listeners become better stewards of their wealth. Each episode covers the latest trends and strategies in estate planning, elder law, investment, and wealth management. Tune in for the knowledge and tools for financial success and security.
The Good Steward Law and Wealth Podcast. So we're going to talk a lot about law and wealth. We are going to mix both topics into this, and everything we talk about is how does the law side of estate planning mix with the wealth planning side of everything. So I will talk about everything you need to know, what is probate, what is a revocable trust, what are irrevocable trust. We'll talk about power of attorneys, everything you need to know, and we'll get into details on those. We're going to bring in experts that are going to talk about the finance side of things. You probably have a 401k, an IRA. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about what is a Roth versus a regular. We'll talk about 529 plans. Why is probate bad? Well, there's kind of four main tenets. It is time consuming, it's public, and it's costly, and it does not always match the deceased's intent. So a lot of times you say, I want to leave my IRA or my investment account to my son. Well, you may do that, but if your son gets a divorce, then it could go to his ex-spouse. The judge will sign off saying, yes, that's a good will, or yes, it isn't. And then even if you don't have a will, you still take all of your assets of the deceased and submit it to the court. And then the judge supervises a process of how we transfer assets. A revocable trust serves two main purposes. The two main ones are it avoids probate, number one, and number two, it provides asset protection for the heirs, and you can leave assets in a manner that you want to leave it. Better said is you have control over how you leave assets. That's the goal of this podcast, is to lay out whatever it may be, law planning, tax planning, insurance planning, just the things that you could do to increase your wealth and manage it better.
Thank you for tuning in to the Good Steward Law and Wealth Podcast. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, visit goodstewardfirm.com to book a meeting and sign up for our newsletter.